Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on the bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for purchasing any kind of turban or shimag, you guys can contact to my own brand Adil. The WhatsApp number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful Pashtun style turban that I'm tying right now. So let's see how can you tie this.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح وغص الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيم الفسيح.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next video.